Hi, this is Ashish Chandra and welcome to another English lesson on SucceedEng. Today's lesson is all about the difference between advise and advise. The thing to remember here is that advise is the noun and advise is the verb. An example of advice would be everyone goes to him for advice whenever they are in doubt. Advise is the verb. So for example, I was asked to advise him on the topic. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video of value, then please hit the like button. If you have any thoughts on the topic, then please leave them in the comments below. If you're watching this on Facebook, then please like this page. And if you're watching this on YouTube, then hit the subscribe button for more such updates in the future. Until next time, bye.